All right, so welcome back. I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. And there's one, we call it strawberry smoothie.
Well,
I know.
I've never had this before. This is new to me, so I'm just going to let it work and I'm going to watch you.
My husband hates cottage cheese. And so I got to tell you a little story that comes with this. He hates cottage cheese, but he likes this because it's a combination of our strawberries and cottage cheese. And one day he tried to do it with just fresh strawberries, and they just didn't have the same flavor that Thrive did. He threw an extra couple strawberries into the smoothie with the Thrive, and the color and the flavor was just amazing.
So he used regular strawberries and it was flavorless. And so he threw in some Thrive strawberries and it was delicious.
That's right. So we want delicious. So we're going to just do this with cottage cheese because cottage cheese is good for you. So I've got a little bit of water. This is just a 1 serve with a little bit of ice. And so I'm going to add some cottage cheese to that.
See, I would not think, I've thrown cottage cheese into smoothies before, but never just, cottage cheese, water, and strawberries.
That is.
I'm a little leery, but we'll see.
All right, and then I guess you're going to have to taste it, Kathy. Okay, so let's just throw the strawberries in there, and I add a little bit of stevia just for a bit of flavor. That's a lot.
Just a little bit of stevia.
Okay, shop you.
I'm gonna like it already.
Remember, it's a smoothie, like it's a milkshake. Right?
Okay.
Okay. So this is gonna be
smoothie.
So it's actually a milkshake.
It's whatever you want to call it.
She's being difficult.
I'm not being difficult.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Try this since she's such a skeptic.
Thanks.
Okay, so Kathy, give it a try.
Okay.
You're a skeptic. I know you are.
Actually, that's quite good. I don't mind that.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That is really good. I would definitely do that again.
And very simple. Just a few ingredients. So freeze-dried strawberries are the best. They're better than the fresh because they're concentrated. Cottage cheese and ice water and stevia for sweetening. And remember, it's a milkshake, so we sweeten it just a little bit more just to add that.
And the protein too from the cottage cheese.
Yeah.
That's awesome. High five. Good job. Woo! I'm impressed.
All right, so you can do this too. So you can do this too. So comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and give us a thumbs up.
Ring the notification bell, and you'll get posted every time there's a new video.
Remember,
you can do this too.